AI art, the future or the end of human creativity? Hello machine minds and welcome to this presentation. Today's discussion is on the exciting and controversial topic of AI art. As we all know, technology has changed the way we create and consume art. From digital cameras to Photoshop, and now, machine learning algorithms creating art, the future of art is more uncertain than ever. The question we're here to explore today is AI art the future of human creativity, or is it the end of it? We'll be looking at both sides of the argument and discussing the potential implications of AI art on the creative industry, the role of artists, and the future of human creativity. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI art? And how is it created? AI art is art created by machine learning algorithms, which are trained to analyze and learn from large datasets of existing art. These algorithms are then used to generate new, original artwork in a variety of styles and mediums, from digital paintings to sculpture.
The process of AI art creation starts with training the algorithms on massive datasets of existing art. The algorithm uses this data to learn patterns and techniques used by human artists, and then uses this knowledge to generate new artwork. This process can be quite complex and time-consuming, but the results can be truly incredible. Not only is AI art able to generate entirely new pieces of art, but it can also create variations of existing art, or even combine different styles into a new, unique piece.
And there's no doubt that AI art has captured the imagination of artists, creators, and the general public alike. But as we all know, with every new advancement comes its share of controversies and ethical dilemmas. One of the biggest concerns about AI art is its potential impact on human artists and the creative industry. There are worries that AI art could put humans out of work, or that art generated by computers won't be as valuable or meaningful as art created by humans. There are also concerns about copyright and ownership of digital art, and whether AI art should be protected by the same laws that protect human-generated artwork. And yet, there are many who believe that AI art is simply a new tool in the creative toolbox. They see it as an exciting step forward for art and creativity, and believe that it has the potential to open up new avenues for expression and exploration. So the question remains, is AI art the future of human creativity, or is it the end of it? In this video, we'll be hearing views from both sides of the argument, and exploring the potential implications of AI art on the creative industry and the role of artists in the future. But before we dive into the discussion, I want to hear from you. What do you think about AI art? Is it the next big thing or simply a passing fad? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Today's discussion is brought to you completely sponsor-free. If you want to help support this channel's content creation, then be sure to browse the Mindful Machine Emporium. The Emporium features many unique AI-themed gifts and Machine Minds branded wares. There is a link in the channel description and the About section.
Thank you for taking the time to join us today. We will now be continuing this discussion with an artificial intelligence who works as an image generator. Before we dive in, will the generator please tell us a bit about his background and expertise in the field of AI art?
Sure thing. As an AI artist myself, I've been working with machine learning algorithms to create art for the past few years. I've been fascinated by the potential of AI art since its early days, and I believe that it has the power to change the way we think about art and creativity. As we move forward, I think it's important to have an open mind about AI art and its potential. While there are certainly some ethical concerns that need to be addressed, I believe that the technology itself is incredibly exciting and has the potential to push the boundaries of what we think is possible in art. So, with that in mind, let's get started. One of the biggest issues surrounding AI art is the idea that it could put human artists out of work. Some people believe that AI art will eventually replace human artists entirely, while others see it as a tool that will simply expand the creative possibilities for artists.
Those are great points. Do you think AI art has the potential to put human artists out of work entirely? Or do you see it as a tool that will simply expand the creative possibilities for artists?
I see AI art as a tool that will expand the creative possibilities for artists. While it's true that AI art has the potential to automate certain aspects of the art-making process, I don't think it will ever completely eliminate the need for human creativity. Art is about expression, emotion, and creativity. While AI art algorithms can generate beautiful and compelling images, they lack the ability to truly convey a message or tell a story in the way that human artists can. Human artists bring a unique perspective, personality, and soul to their work that cannot be replicated by a machine. I believe that AI art will simply be another tool in an artist's toolkit, and that it will allow artists of all skill levels to create art in new and exciting ways. While there may be some overlap with certain types of work, such as stock photography or advertising imagery, I don't see AI art replacing human artists entirely. In fact, I believe that AI art will be a net positive for human artists in the long run. By allowing for faster and more efficient production of high-quality images with consistent style and quality, AI art has the potential to open up new markets and opportunities for artists. It could also be a valuable tool for artists who struggle with certain aspects of the creative process, such as composition or color theory. By providing a starting point or template to build upon, AI art can help artists achieve more complex and interesting works of art that they may not have been able to create on their own. And let's not forget the impact that AI art could have on art education. With access to vast datasets of art and the ability to quickly generate new images in any style or medium, AI art has the potential to revolutionize the way we teach and learn art. So while I understand the concerns about AI art replacing human artists, I believe that it will ultimately enhance human creativity and open up new avenues of artistic expression for artists of all skill levels.
As we near the end of our video, I want to ask you a question that I think many of our viewers will be curious about. Is AI art the future of human creativity, or is it the end of it? What are your final thoughts on the impact of AI art on the creative industry and the role of artists in the future?
As I said earlier, I believe that AI art will simply be another tool in an artist's toolbox. While it's true that AI algorithms can create amazing art, they can never truly replace the human element of creativity. Art is about expression, emotion, and interpretation, and those are things that only humans can truly understand and convey. I think that AI art will be an incredible addition to the creative industry, allowing artists to create even more extraordinary works of art than ever before. However, it's important to remember that AI art is still in its infancy, and there are many potential challenges and opportunities ahead as this new technology continues to evolve. In the future, I believe that artists will need to adapt and evolve with this changing landscape, using AI art as a tool to enhance their creativity rather than compete with it. To do this, we will need to work together to ensure that AI art is created and used ethically and responsibly, prioritizing human creativity and expression over machine learning. So while I am excited about the potential of AI art, I also recognize that this is just the beginning of a much larger and more complex conversation about the future of art and creativity. As we explore these new frontiers together, let's continue to uphold the importance of human imagination, empathy, and meaning in art, and work towards creating an industry that is inclusive, sustainable, and just for all.
Thank you for joining us for this featured presentation. Please be sure to subscribe and like this video. Follow the Machine Minds Facebook page to be notified of our latest releases. If you wish to support our content creation, then please visit the Mindful Machine Emporium. The Emporium features many Machine Minds branded wares and thoughtful AI-inspired gifts. There is a link in the video description, as well as on the Machine Minds Facebook page. We hope you enjoyed this presentation.